Okay, so this next section will translate across all upfits. The only major difference will be the total price of shipping. May vary from ambulance to rear entry to mobility or CUV. But otherwise, the functionality is the same in every one of these aspects that we're going to go over next across all upfits. So we'll just click on each one, go over these non-vehicle options, and show you how it works. Selected conversion warranty. All vehicles come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. So if you were to select this, you're only upgrading to one of the two extended warranties, either 1,000 or 2,000. On every single one of your printouts, it will spell out that what the standard warranty is, and then there'll be a separate line underneath it that says additional warranty if you were to add one of these two. And again, when you select it, it increases the price. If you do not need either one of these, then you can uncheck it, and let's look at your F&I fees. Your F&I fees work identical to how it did in JotForm, so you can just select any of these particular fees, and they would obviously update and correspond to the new price below. Aftermarket products, again, are very similar to what we did in the other POC. You can add mobility, roadside assistance, or extended warranties. If you need to add in additional miscellaneous fees, you have safeguard insurance, tire and road hazard, value shield. If we were to send U.S. mail letters out, or if we were to add in Maryland 6% tax. Any of these that you select are free-form typing, so you would just go in based on what Paul gives you as far as a price. So if he tells you it's $500, when you add it in, it will add into that price. So they're relatively simple and straightforward. Your rental fee only pertains to people that obviously are getting a rental vehicle for us for one reason or another. Again, you would just type in the number of days that it's required, and it multiplies it times 150. So if I put in 2, it will indicate $300 and increase the price accordingly. Okay, and then the last option that is here is shipping. Shipping is very straightforward. Again, it gives you an overview of shipping, shows you the colored map, tells you or asks you whether it's one way or round trip. So let's just indicate one way. It will ask you which of the zones it pertains to. So if I look and I say I want to send it to Tennessee, I can see Tennessee is purple. So I can select the purple, which is $900. It adds my $900 price into the total down here, and then I would put in my ship to address, very similar to what you're familiar with in JotForm. The only other option would be to go to round trip, and then it would give you a ship to and a ship from, and then you would put in ship to and ship from shipping information. So that's it. Once we're done with this section, we're done with all of our previous vehicle-specific options. Then we would hit next, and we'll go to the incentives page.